Me Tina once again from shortmetina.com. So I kind of wanted to do really quick videos or lengthy videos about the overall market. So for today we're going to be looking at the God, why am I think I got too much on my mind. So we're going to be paying attention to the IWM, right, which is the Russell small caps, and we're going to be paying attention to the S&P 500. So, you know, I'm always in tuned with the market, but I've been somewhat disconnected from like the social media aspect of the stock market, because sometimes like everyone is always, I don't know, like sounding the whistles, they're sounding the bells, and people get like scared, like Chicken Little scared, like the sky is falling, the sky is falling. And it's like, can you guys just relax, right? Act like we haven't been here a gazillion times before. We were here during, I don't know, right before the election, of the night of the election, right? This was back in, I want to say 2016. We look right here. Market took like a huge dip. 2015, flash crash. Earlier this year in February, the market, look right here, puked, right? But what happens? It always rebounds. It rebounds. So it's gonna puke from time to time, and people, right, who were like, oh no, the sky is falling, they didn't get into it here, they missed this huge upshot, right? Even when we collapsed most recently here, earlier this year, look what happened. We had like a mini rebound. So yes, the market has fell for the past few days and it looks like the sky is falling, but recognize the theme, recognize the pattern, and recognize when, you know, it's an ample opportunity to get into stocks, right? So my take right now, it's like, I feel as though the market perhaps may pull back a little bit as it's doing now, but it's prime and ripe. And I've talked about this extensively, like in blogs. If you've listened to me, these types of pullback present buying opportunities. Just search out there for the best and get into them. And if you don't want to do the searching and you don't want to deal with the headache, then you head on over to shortmetina.com and you subscribe. But let's take a really quick look at the IWM. And again, although it's pulled back, it's still above breakout levels, right? So again, we fell here, 2016, had this huge shot up. We consolidated a little bit here, broke out, consolidated, broke out, and it looks like we want to retest that breakout area of around 160. Now you say, if we fall below 160, are we in trouble? And in my opinion, no, we're not in trouble yet. When the sky is falling, I will come out at some point and do a video. I will inform my premium members first, right? Because they pay me for it. I will inform them first when I think the sky is falling. But as of now, IWM, small cap, sort of like an indicator, still above breakout levels. So even if we retreat more above or below 160, not really reason for pause yet. We're not in that critical area as of yet, in my opinion. Let's take a look at the SPY. So I got the SPY here, somewhat of a different picture, right? We ran into resistance earlier in June, right? And I think in one of my watch lists that I release every Sunday for free, I had like a stoll chart and indicated that, look, we're running into resistance. So we ran into resistance here, which is denoted by this blue line, which is around that 280 area, and we've pulled back some. We're sitting here at 269, right? So is there a reason for panic? No, because it looks like, again, after this huge uptrend that began in 2016, it looks like the market is consolidating. It could be distribution, it could be accumulation. In my opinion, it is not distribution. I do not believe that it is. We might fall back down, right, to this red line here, which is support. So if we can just manage to stay above 256, right, I think we should be good. Dipping below 256, in my opinion, does not necessarily mean that, you know, we should panic. Again, if that occurs, I will inform my premium members first. But for now, enough with the sky is falling. A lot of stocks has pulled back. But if you recognize a theme, don't be that person that missed the party here, right? You missed the party here. Chances are you probably missed the party here, and here, and here, and here, and here. And every time the market pulls back, you miss the party because you're afraid of pullbacks. And if you want to succeed in the market, there's a certain amount of fearlessness that goes into it. All right. So the video is a little over 5 minutes now. I hope I got my point across. I was a little bit sort of like naggy in this video, but that's fine because I feel like I am being nagged, right? When like I peruse or when I browse certain social media sites and everyone is acting like the sky is falling. Be proactive. That's it. Or you can do two things. You can go to my YouTube channel at ShortMeTina and hit that subscribe button, and you'll learn a lot about the market. Or you can head on over to shortmetina.com, sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening, and as always, thank you for the support.